Today, we're diving into the colossal task of building a cruise ship that's not just massive, but also eco-friendly. Journey with us to Germany's Meyer Werft, where the revolutionary Aidanova takes shape, fueled by liquefied natural gas. How does this floating city come to life? Discover the secrets behind its construction and sustainability journey right here. Witness the transformation in seafaring. The Azipod propulsion system, a marvel redefining how this giant ship glides across the oceans. Breaking away from the norm, each Azipod unit stands as a pinnacle of engineering innovation. Picture a 360-degree rotating gondola, seamlessly integrated with propellers, offering a whole new level of agility. Weighing in at an incredible 230 tons with a 12-meter span, these pods are the zenith of propulsion technology at sea. The installation demands nothing short of perfection, with engineers meticulously working beneath the stern to tolerances as fine as half a millimeter. Every intricate electronic system is expertly connected, metamorphosing a mere floating structure into a navigational powerhouse. Once the Azipods are in place, 5 hefty propeller blades, each a 3-ton giant, are affixed, becoming the powerhouse of the vessel's propulsion. This feat of engineering grants the ship's captain a level of precision in navigation that belies the vessel's gargantuan size. At the core of Aidanova's forward-thinking design are its mighty dual-fuel engines, masters of both liquefied natural gas and marine fuel. These colossal engines weigh an impressive 2,000 tons, coming together through the labor of 2 dedicated experts over 2 intense weeks. Assembly begins with the cylinder housing, the backbone supporting this powerhouse system. Next comes the precise placement of the crankshaft, followed by pistons, cylinders, and an elaborate exhaust setup. Each engine faces exhaustive testing to ensure performance, power, and eco-friendliness, essential for this eco-conscious behemoth. Initial tests run at low speeds, allowing engineers to fine-tune the crankshaft, control shaft, and pistons for peak efficiency. Through careful calibration, each part is tuned for optimal performance, critical for a ship meant to ferry thousands across the globe. Post-inspection, the engines are painted a pristine white, ready for their journey to Neptune WFT shipyards for secure installation on pre-prepared bases. The pinnacle of command on this maritime titan, the bridge, requires unmatched precision during its installation. As the vessel's construction progresses, kilometers of intricate cables are placed, destined to power lighting, internet, and controls. These networks await connection until the bridge module is flawlessly positioned atop the massive structure. A crane operator, stationed 60 meters high, commands the daunting task of positioning this pivotal component. From this height, they maneuver loads up to 345 tons with precision, ensuring exact alignment during placement. Spanning 50 meters, the bridge must be seamlessly welded to the main structure, crafting a command center for the crew. This installation marks a crucial milestone, occurring approximately 7 months ahead of the final launch. The integration of advanced navigation systems turns this structure into the core of ship operations, allowing nimble navigation through any condition. At the heart of Aidanova's eco-innovation lie its vast liquefied natural gas tanks, engineering wonders measuring 35 meters long and 8 meters high. These specialized tanks are crafted to hold enough fuel for 2 weeks' travel, ensuring the vessel's autonomy. At Neptune WFT shipyards in Rostock, experts build the ship's rear, specifically designed for these massive tanks and engines. Placing these tanks demands extraordinary precision, aligning them on prepared bases with millimeter accuracy. This careful procedure is vital for constructing the second floating unit, which will later join its counterpart in Papenburg. The LNG system signifies a leap forward in cruise ship technology, cutting emissions and promoting sustainable tourism. Being the first vessel entirely powered by LNG, Aidanova sets new benchmarks for environmental stewardship in luxury cruising. The heart of shipbuilding excellence beats in the Welding Center, where tradition blends with cutting-edge technology. Here, massive robots orchestrate the assembly of steel plates, forming the backbone of the world's most sustainable cruise ship. The Aidanova's vast dimensions, 337 meters long and 42 meters wide, demand a modular construction strategy that's innovative in shipbuilding. Engineers split the vessel into sections, enabling specialized teams to work on different modules simultaneously, vastly speeding up construction. The ship materializes through assembling 90 distinct blocks, each a piece of the completed vessel. During initial assembly, workers lay pipes and essentials in each section, establishing infrastructure before joining. Giant cranes then maneuver these sections for further assembly, showcasing the precision of modern shipbuilding techniques. This careful method turns raw materials into a marvel, carrying over 6,600 passengers and 1,800 crew worldwide. Accommodation on the Aidanova showcases manufacturing efficiency, with prefabricated cabins made on an assembly line before moving to the shipyard. These ready-furnished modules arrive by day, installed at night, optimizing the build schedule. Each cabin, complete with amenities, is installed within 30 minutes, a feat of logistical prowess. Workers align these units precisely, ensuring seamless integration with the ship's framework and systems. Every cabin passes rigorous inspection before installation, undergoing checks by internal teams, clients, and certification inspectors. Technology is key here, with experts using virtual models in a VR room to preemptively resolve potential issues. This proactive approach saves time and resources, ensuring accuracy in the physical installation process. Data is updated continuously, keeping workers informed and efficient as they begin their shifts. The Aidanova's immense scale calls for pioneering construction techniques, with sections assembled simultaneously and joined with precision. At a pivotal point, engineers close the dry dock gates, readying to connect the ship's massive sections. After welding the rear in place, the dock floods strategically to align the middle section, a feat of millimeter precision despite its immense 19 decks. Once aligned, sections float into position, allowing initial welds to secure them. An advanced ballast system maintains balance, enabling 20,000 tons of steel to move with exactness. With construction advancing, workers confront the challenge of a 1,000-meter weld to join sections permanently. The process begins with ceramic guides and steel alignment, hydraulic presses ensuring perfect unison for welding. As the delivery deadline looms, activity surges as teams prepare every aspect for future passengers. Balconies go up while quality inspectors scrutinize the ship's vast interiors. Restaurants receive their kitchen systems, and craftsmen enhance features, like crafting 13-meter railings. With 3 months to go, cabins finalize, and crew start testing systems. Externally complete, interior work rushes forward. Furniture, radar, and pool systems. The theater, lifeboats, and studio systems await completion. Finally, at the delivery ceremony, Aidanova sets sail for Lisbon, finishing touches in progress. The automated laundry system, capable of managing crew linens, undergoes testing. Chefs refine menus for the ship's dining options, welcoming over 1,800 crew for up to 6,600 guests. With a massive 4,000 cubic meter storage capacity, it's stocked and ready to embark on its ocean-spanning journey.